Ashling. I'm from computer science, and I am in human-computer interaction. And I think our ways of knowing are very useful in this space. We know that the moves in healthcare are taking it out of the clinic and into the home for cost reasons, for population reasons. There's many complexities we've heard about today. And there's but a lot of opportunity. There's huge potential for AI in supporting care outside of clinical settings, reducing the use of the health and social care system, such as Elaine's work, who's in the front row here. We know that people are weird. People are very weird. They have too much trust in AI. They have too little trust in AI. They don't use it at all. They overuse it. They go through a life transition. Their entire personal data set is now useless because they've moved to university. AI innovation can't be viewed in a vacuum. It's only part of a complex care ecosystem that involves other technologies, old technologies themselves, other people, and their contexts. Again, very strange. I think that getting lay people to the design table is key. And that's not just at the very beginning or the very end, but in the development of AI. And there's some value in iterative design and looking at real-world evaluation for unintended consequences and changing contexts. Thank you.